Understanding brain change and self-sabotage. Hello, today we will learn about self-sabotage behavior and brain changes. The brain is an important part of our body's central nervous system. The brain is divided into two hemispheres, and the left and right hemispheres are connected. Each hemisphere consists of the cerebral cortex, pituitary gland, brainstem, and cerebellum. The cerebral cortex is the outer part of the brain and is responsible for various brain functions, such as thinking, cognition, sensation, and movement. The cerebral cortex occupies the outer part of the cerebrum and performs activities primarily related to cognitive functions. The cerebellum is a small part located at the bottom of the cerebrum, located at the back of the brain. The cerebellum is responsible for balance, motor control, and accuracy and coordination of movements. For smooth performance of exercise and delicate control of movement, it plays an important role. The cerebrum and cerebellum, together with other areas of the brain, they work harmoniously to regulate various functions of our body. Self-sabotage refers to behavioral or thought patterns that prevent you from reaching your goals. Self-destructive behavior reduces one's success, happiness, and satisfaction. It refers to a disruptive behavior or pattern. First, an example of self-destructive behavior is a negative self-image of oneself. If you have a goal, you set it but don't implement it. If you give up midway, you will have an internal dialogue where you blame yourself and beat yourself up. If you repeat often, it may be due to fear of your own success. This includes missing opportunities and not utilizing one's full potential. The causes of self-destructive behavior include emotional problems due to past negative experiences, wounds, lack of confidence, psychological factors such as perfectionistic thinking style, anxiety and fear, and mental and health problems such as stress, depression, and anxiety. Include acting out, perfectionism, and setting standards that are too high. Neurotransmitters and brain synapses. These behaviors are closely linked to the brain's reward system. Neurotransmitters like dopamine stimulate us to seek immediate gratification and reward. When the evaluation and control of the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for making longer-term and rational decisions, weakens, self-destructive habits prevail. When stress rises, amyloid in our brain is activated, making us more emotional, and because it leads to less rational decision-making. To overcome this, we must follow these steps. Focus on improving self-awareness and self-love. Replace negative self-talk with positive dialogue. Pay attention to goal setting and planning. Learn and practice stress management techniques. Recognize and strengthen your strengths and accomplishments. 1. Conscious awareness. Notice and note problematic behavior. 2. Find alternatives. Reinforce positive behaviors instead of destructive ones. 3. Repetition over time. Give new habits enough time to settle in the brain. 4. Seek support. Ask for help from friends, family, and professionals. Brain in a positive light. With connections lighting up, our brain is flexible and capable of change. By overcoming self-destructive behaviors and developing positive habits, we can move toward a functional and happy life. Together, let's rewire our brains for success. Thank you very much for watching.